That order coming from a Norfolk judge who says the man convicted of federal corruption should not handle city funds ahead of his sentencing in April.
Our Marcella Robertson has closely followed this case. Marcella, Burfoot's attorney just filed a motion to stop that suspension.
Yeah, that motion was filed just moments ago asking for that suspension to be stopped, and that judge's decision came down today. And as you mentioned, as of 5 p.m. Monday, Anthony Burfoot will be suspended from the treasurer's office here at City Hall. Now, in the judge's decision that came down, he really weighed several options. He said, on one hand, suspending Burfoot would further embarrass him. On the other hand, he said not suspending Burfoot would really continue to hurt the public's trust in the Norfolk government. And in the end, he believed that the public's trust in its elected officials was much more important. Now, a jury found Anthony Burfoot guilty of corruption and perjury back in December. Since that conviction, Anthony Burfoot has been in office and at work every single day in the treasurer's office, despite several calls for him to resign and to step down. Now, Ron Batliner, he is a former prosecutor in Norfolk and in Virginia Beach. He's actually the one that filed the motion asking a judge to suspend Burfoot out of office. And he has said he is happy with the way the decision came down today. But from day one, Anthony Burfoot's attorney has said that he has every right to remain in office because by law, it says that an elected official can stay in office until the entire appeals process has been exhausted. And Burfoot's attorney says technically, until a judge accepts the jury's guilty verdict and sentences Burfoot, he is not actually convicted of a felony.
He can go through the process, but the citizens don't have to suffer while he's doing that. He's received all the due process in the world. He's had 22 days of a jury trial where he was found guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, the highest standard in the law.
It's his elected position, it's his livelihood, it's his honor, it's his reputation, and there are important legal principles. So we think it's important. There's enough time between now and mid-April that this is meaningful to try to get this reversed.
And again, as we told you just moments ago, Anthony Burfoot's attorney filed a motion asking to stay or stop that suspension. He also says he plans to file an emergency appeal with the Virginia Supreme Court, asking them to review the judge's decision. But until they hear from a higher court, Anthony Burfoot will not be allowed in the treasurer's office. Live in Norfolk, Marcella Robertson, 13 News Now.